Hello everyone, welcome back to Optitan. So today I'm going to tell you about a super exciting challenge which is by American Express. So this is a campus challenge for the 2025 batch and the challenge name is of Decision Science Track. So if you are from IITs, IIMs, BITS, ISB, FMS or a top economics colleges you are studying out, and then this video is for you. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about this whole details about this competition, like what is the American Express Campus Challenge is all about, and who can participate in this challenge. That is, what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this, and how you need to form the team, and what are all the rules that you should keep in mind while you are forming the team. And at last, you will get the rewards that after getting win from this competition. So do not forget to comment down that if you are participating in this competition or not. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first let's talk about what is the American Express Campus Challenge 2025 is all about. So basically this challenge is all about like decision science and predictive modeling. So in simple words, we can say that you will use the data and you will apply the machine learning algorithms on the data, and you will build a model where that gives the most accurate predictions that whatever the data you have been provided. Okay, so it's not just a boring test what you have, so it is a real world challenge where you will improve your skills and compete with the top minds across India. And yes, you will also win the rewards and the certificates from this American Express, and also a PPI, a pre-placement interview that are waiting for your winners. Okay, now let's talk about what is eligibility criteria in order to apply for this competition. So basically you must have to you must be from one of the selected colleges. There you have it splitted over here in this into three groups. That is, first is of like engineering students. Like if you are from the engineering background and you must be doing the BTech or a dual degree or whatever it may be, and you must be, the batch is of like 2026, 2027 or 2028, it's okay. And from these colleges you have you must have to be studied. That is from the IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Roorkee, BHU Varanasi, IIT Ropar, ISM, BITS Pilani, which is of like Pilani campus. And these are the colleges that you must have to study if you are from the BTech or dual degree program. Okay, now second group, that is of like IIM, that is of if you are from the MBA program, and you must have to study in the below colleges like ISB, FMS Delhi, XLRI, MDI, and NIMM, IIFT Delhi, and C economic students. Or these are the colleges, the list of colleges. You must check it out that if your college is there or not. If your college is there in this list, then you are all right. You are set to eligible and to apply for this competition. And make sure your batch is started from the 2026 batch. That is 2026, 2027, or 2028. It's okay. Okay. Now and the third one is of like if you are doing the masters in economics or in this background, and you must have to study in the below colleges only. That is Delhi School of Economics, Chennai Mathematical Institute, Madras School of Economics. Okay, if your colleges are listed in this above groups, then you are eligible to participate in this competition. Now let's talk about what are the rules that are there in order to form formation of the team. Okay, and here the formation of the team is of like 1 to 3 members only. If you want to participate in this competition individually, you are eligible to participate. If you want to participate in the team also, you must have to like form the team which is of like 3 members, not more than that. Okay, now while forming the team you must have to register alone, or if you want to form the team you must have to register, or if you want to join the team, just go there and you can join from the other, like you will get the invitation and all the things. Okay, now I just want to tell you how you want to form the team. Okay, first you need to register alone or in a team up with the 3 members, and here the cross college teams are allowed. Okay, cross specialization teams are also allowed in this. And yes, the unlimited teams can be registered from the same college, but the one member which is there in one team, they should not be there in the other team. if you are doing in this way, then you get spammed and you will be disqualified from this competition. Make sure you only be genuine and be participate in this genuinely in this competition. Now let's talk about how many competition rounds that you do have. So here we have is of like 3 rounds. So we will discuss each and every round what would be there and what the task that you need to perform. Okay, so coming to the first round one, it is of like crossword challenge. So you will solve a crossword puzzle which is related to the decision science. It's not just for fun, where you will be solving it correctly, where it gives you a key that is only for the participants who find the right key can move to the next round, that is round 2. Okay, so in this round 2, where you will be submitting like modeling the problem statement. So in this, you will be receiving a real data set and a prediction problem, where you need have to submit your answer in the CSV file format. Okay, so you will get to know what should be done and what the problem is there, what the real data set you will be getting to know once you are qualified in the round 1 and get shortlisted for the round 2. Okay, so you get up to a 20 attempts to attempt this round, and you can check your score on the leaderboard after each submission you have done. Okay, so the best scores out from all the submissions will be counted, and your file should be follow some of the naming format here. Okay, so here they have been correctly mentioned that this is a file format that you must have to while you are submitting the problem statement, sorry, while you are submitting the solution. 2025 DS track the team name while you have been registered in this competition. Okay, now I just want to tell you some of the tips in this round 2, that focus on the features like engineering features, and try the different algorithms and make your model more accurate. So there make that the model is predicting more accurately with the data which you have been provided. So in that way you need to train the model, and in that way you need to prepare that is you need to develop the algorithm. Okay, so here will be like you must have to just learn the some of the advanced topics in the ML, machine learning, and the data science skills, which will be helping you out in this competition. Now coming to the round 3, that is of like desk submission plus and as well as a virtual presentation. So only the top teams from the round 2 will be qualifying over here in this round. So you will get shortlisted. So you will need to submit a presentation desk that includes like your approach and sampling techniques and what the features that innovates you in this, and the model selection, the algorithm which you have been used in this, trends and intuition, and then you will present virtually in the front of the experts. So these are the things that you must have to include while you are presenting to the leaders. Now what you will be winning. So let's talk what the rewards that you will be getting from this. So basically every participant will get a participation certificate. Okay, and winning teams members will be getting a top teams from the college, that is like a top teams from the colleges will be getting of like exciting rewards, that is of pre-placement interviews from the American Express. Okay, and you will winning the certificates. So the only condition is your model should meet a minimum level of accuracy, not 100% accuracy, it's also okay. Minimum level what the American Express company settle like this much we need, they will be telling, right? So you need have to minimum you need to cross that. Okay, so make sure you give your all rounds very best. Okay, now finally I just want to tell you how you can prepare some of the things which you want, which will help you out in this hackathon like competition. Okay, now basically you need to practice the crosswords and the brush up like on the key decision science concepts. So first thing you should have to do this, and you can learn the pandas, sklearn, xgboost, lightgbm. So these are the libraries of the Python where you can just help you in a lot while you're modeling like your in the algorithm purpose. And like you need to understand the feature engineering like evaluation metrics, overfitting, and validation. These are the machine learning concepts where you will have to learn these things, and build a strong teamwork where you will be dividing the task very smartly and understanding the what the strengths and weaknesses, and understanding the team members. So each member what they have the strengths and weaknesses, and what the work they can able to do and what cannot, so we can overcome these things. So you will be dividing the works based on the strengths and weaknesses. And finally keep learning from every submission and improve the accuracy very continuously. Okay, so that's everything you need to know about this decision science track that from the American Express Campus Challenge 2025. So it's a golden opportunity if you are into the data science and you want to improve your skills. register now and let your model do the talking. That's it. Okay, if you want to register, the link in the description box, so when you click on that link you will get redirected to this page and you can simply press on register button. You can register for this competition. Now I just want to tell you, do comment down that which round are you the most excited for, and are you forming a team or you are going to solo like that. So just do comment down and like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to Opportunity On for more such amazing updates. And we'll see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your competition.